Is your temperature gauge acting crazy, or is your check engine light on with code P00B1? This code indicates a problem with the Radiator Coolant Temperature Sensor circuit. Your cooling system does more than just stop the engine from overheating. The engine control module relies on the coolant temperature sensor, or CTS, to decide how much fuel to mix with the air. If the sensor circuit is sending bad information, your engine cannot run efficiently. This code specifically means the computer is seeing voltage or resistance values from the sensor that fall outside the expected electrical range. The symptoms can be pretty annoying, ranging from hard starts on cold mornings and an erratic idle to engine stalling and really poor gas mileage. You might even smell raw fuel from the exhaust because the car thinks the engine is colder than it actually is and is dumping in too much gas. The most common causes are a dead sensor, a dirty sensor pickup, a leaking O-ring that lets air in, or damaged wiring. To troubleshoot this, safety comes first. Never open the cooling system when the engine is hot. Once it is cool, find the sensor, which is usually near the thermostat housing or on the radiator. Look for any corrosion on the connector or melted wires, as these harnesses deal with a lot of engine heat. If the wiring looks good, you will want to grab a multimeter. Since these are usually negative temperature coefficient sensors, the resistance should drop as the temperature goes up. Check your repair manual for the specific numbers and test the resistance across the sensor pins. If the numbers do not match the manual, the sensor is toast and needs to be replaced. Also, check for coolant leaks around the sensor, as air pockets can cause false readings. If replacing the sensor and fixing the wiring does not clear the code, you might have a deeper electrical issue, and that is when it's time to call a pro. Drive safe and keep an eye on that temp gauge.